Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this session in which we will uh, see how we can use the goal seek uh, you to solve this beautiful equation, uh, algebraic equation, and or as demonstrated in this video. This is video is available in maths in room. Yeah, maths in reading room. I think. Yeah, and this is the simple. We have to find the x value. So we have determined this as a x value, and the value would come in here, right? And the equation is written in these parts, right? First of all, we take this part, 5x plus 5 raised to power 12, right? So this is written like this, 5 raised to power x, that is h3, right? And then plus is this plus, yes? And 5 raised to power 12 is written as like this, okay? So this segment is done and it is ready. Okay. So forgetting that there's a x value, h3 is at the moment 0, so that's fine, no problem. It will, the goal seeks will be used to determine this value. Okay. And how about this? What is a 5 raised to power x plus 5 raised to power 2, right? That makes 26, right? Okay. 5 raised to power x is this, plus 5 raised to power 2 is this, right? Okay, so since we have this and this, means so we can divide this, yeah, h5 divided by h6, right? So this divided by 6, and this, with the root power is 1 oblique 5 because this is 5. If it was 3, then we would use 1 oblique 3. So this is 5. So that's why 1 oblique 5 will be used. So this will make the root of this or the entire expression. And that's it. Now we have to say that it should get to the value of 5. This expression, our target is that it gets to the 5, so the x value will be determined, right? In order to get it 5, the x value is going to be determined. We do not know about x. We know that this has to get to 5, right? Okay, so we are going to go to the goal seek. In the goal seek option, yeah, and we will and we will go to the data, and then in the what if analysis, we have the goal seek. And in the goal seek, we are going to set this cell, this one, okay, this cell to a value of 5. We want this to be to the value of 5. And by changing this, yeah, so this will come to the value, right? So that it becomes 5, right? So we don't know what is there. So the goal seek will bring the value in here, and that would make this cell J5 will become J5 will become 5. This is our target to the value of 5, and by changing the value of x, right? So whatever the value comes, so this is our solution. The x is going to be the value reflected in h 3, right? Okay. So let's click OK here. Oh, it's going to do it, and it has brought it. 5.00034 is the closest value, and it will be 6.99999 like this. Okay, so, and this matches what uh, has been demonstrated here. So uh, the purpose of showing you this is using the goal seek, you can verify your solution, right? The solution will match the answer of this entire solution will match with what Excel will bring, right? To you, right? Okay, so this is uh, nice presentation. The Excel is full of this functionality, and with a little knowledge of Excel, uh, you can use it to verify your own solutions, cross-check using the goal seek. Sometimes you may use the solver, and there are other statistical functions available, right? And the basic thing is that you uh, you should be able uh, to parse, means to divide the solution in different cells. So we have used one cell, H5, to determine this, and H6 will determine then this part, the bottom one, denominator and numerator, right? So when they are there, then you are simply going to or use the power of it, right? Divide divide all these things. That's H5, H5 divided by H6 and make it the power of 1/5, that is the root it like with the 5 power. Okay, so this is how it is set, and using the goal seek, the goal seek will determine, will do all the jobs what uh, you may be doing on the paper, a long exercise, right? But it would do the job and get you the result, right? So this was just to show you the power of Excel, and and you can utilize Excel uh, to cross-check your solution very quickly. Okay, thank you very much for watching. And uh, let's test ourselves about our learning. So there are the two questions we can answer. Goal seek in Excel is a tool that uh, helps you find the output value in a formula for which you already know the input, or helps you find the input value in a formula for which you already know the outcome or output, right? Alright? Yeah. So, or it helps you find the minimum value in a formula for which you already know that, or the maximum value in a formula. So the right answer is this. Okay. So let's go to the next question. The next question, goal seek is a tool located where? And a data analysis, yeah, and solver, no, okay, and data forecast and what if analysis. Data forecast and what if analysis, and data analyze and data analysis. Data analyze and data analysis, no, okay, or data analyze. So the right answer is data forecast and what if analysis. That is going to take you to the goal. So right answer is this. Hey, thank you very much for watching. See you in our next presentation.